This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by John E. King. Pool home with county water. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is available for occupancy. The home features a spacious kitchen overlooking a large screened-in pool area. You'll also enjoy the added convenience of a cabana bath. Pool and lawn maintenance are included in the rent. No pets allowed. Detached workshop is not included in the rental and tenant will not have access to it. For more information, review the details below or contact John E. King at 772-589-3054.